Hello, this video is about the Odin Smart 3D printer by Fokoos. I am going to be taking it out of the box for assembly. From YouTube videos, the printer assembly involves just 4 screws, so it should take what? 5 minutes? Perhaps not that simple. I apologize for the quality of this video and the presence of some 3D prints and other objects in the video. The box is compact, which is a good thing, but to get the printer out, I had to turn it upside down and slide the entire content out of the box. I am not too comfortable with this. The last thing I want is for the package to slam on the desk. Anyway, I was very careful with this. Got rid of the packaging material on one side quite easily, but the other side won't come off. Perhaps they need to work on their packaging. I have had to rip the styrofoam to get printer out. They really need to redesign this. It is not good enough. Is the shrink wrap expected to keep the bed in place? What can I say? It was a Kickstarter project. The packaging needs improvement. Perhaps it will be easier if the box was designed to be open from the wider face. Then, it will be much easier to lift the printer out of the box. Okay, just the normal items that come with 3D printers. A USB flash drive, screws for the assembly, tools, and so on. The actual assembly is not difficult at all. Just rotate the gantry to a vertical position and lock it in place using just 4 screws. One thing to note regarding the assembly though, if you look at this, you see that with all the screws in place, but not tightened, the gantry moves quite significantly, so it is possible to mount it at an angle to the horizontal. The V-belt for the Z-axis came warped. Or shall I say twisted. That is it. The printer is all assembled, and it was finally time to switch it on. But when I did, I heard this terrible noise coming from one of the fans. Here we go. switched the printer off to investigate, and I could not see anything wrong immediately. So I tried again and there was no real difference. I guess there was something making contact with the fan blades, so I turned the printer upside down to switch it on. And that worked, but only in that position. The issue is not resolved yet. The printer still makes a high-pitched sound. I later figured out that this noise was coming from the PSU fan. I have tried to see if I can see anything obstructing the fan, but I cannot. I have contacted Fokoos to see if they have any advice for me on what to do about this. I am still waiting to hear from Fokoos on the what to do. I do not want to void my warranty, so let's see if they can find a workable solution for me. I was able to print the boat that came with a USB flash drive. I found another issue while printing. This noise is made on some travel moves. I think it is due to looseness of the V-rollers. While I don't want to judge the Fokoos based on this experience, I think it will take some convincing for me to buy another printer made by them. Thanks for watching this video. I am going to be showing some prints by this printer in future videos. Please like this video and subscribe to support my channel.